are you doing? What are you doing? Come to poop on my porch? Did you come say hi? Go play with Daffy. Dad's outside too. I don't know why you're sitting here pecking on my glass while I'm trying to do stuff. Don't you be walking into my house. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Go get in the pond. Come on. Come on, go. Oh my goodness. What do you think you're doing? Go get in the pond. Daffy, what are you doing? Oh my goodness. I don't want you knocking on my window. No, thank you. Get in the pond, sir. Go. Get in. Get in.